right, hey y'all. This is Paul C. Tiarina, nutritional therapist, lifestyle and performance coach, creator and founder of what is known as the SHT, which stands for Superhuman Transformation. And I'd like to invite you into our community that we call Superhumans United, which is a community of education, experience, and support. And before I get into the details of the community, I just want to remind us why we're all here together. We are trying to live our best life possible. We are trying to be as happy as we can possibly be, and we know from experience that this starts with health. Because when you're healthy, you're strong, you're resilient, you look, feel, and perform great. You have a body composition that you're happy with and comfortable with and confident in. And you're relatively asymptomatic, which means that you have little to no symptoms. And then you're happy and emotionally stable. Now imagine having all those things together at once. You would show up to life completely differently, and that's exactly what happens. We liken it to an awakening. When people figure this stuff out, everything about their life changes, because when you find health, you truly find yourself. And these are exactly the things that will change for you as you join us. Now, to get there, we believe that you need three things. You need education with the correct information. You need experience, putting that information into practice through experience and through experiments. And then you need the support of other people. We understand how important it is to have the support of others going through a very similar process. And that's what this community is all about. Now, like many of you, I was lost for most of my life when it came to health, without even realizing it, until I hit my very worst. I was 275 pounds, I was pre-diabetic, I had high blood pressure, I had horrible digestive issues, and my symptom list just went on and on and on. And then I found ancestral health, I found nutritional therapy, and everything about my life turned around. I moved to Las Vegas and I decided to try to teach others about what I've learned. So since 2010, I've personally experimented with and mastered every nutrition protocol you could possibly imagine. Everything from vegan to strict carnivore and everything in between, like paleo, primal, Weston A. Price, low carb, ketogenic, fasting protocols, autoimmune conditions, and even cancer. I've mastered sleep and I've been meditating for over a decade now. And for the past 10 years, I have taught what I've learned to hundreds of private clients. Thousands of people have gone through our group progressions and seminars and workshops. And with our combined experience and feedback, we continue to hone what we call the SHT, which is basically a methodology and a movement or a community of support. So the SHT is a methodology and a system for obtaining elite health, which focuses on our foundations for health, which primarily include real food, sleep, and meditation and mindfulness, but we also address things like disconnecting from all this craziness in this modern world by getting outdoors in nature and grounding and earthing, and simplifying life, and also natural solutions for toxic substances. The SHT is a way to get experience and facilitate your own personal experiments and group experiments, all while supporting each other through our community. And the reason that we're doing this is because we remember what it feels like to be lost, we remember what it feels like to be confused, and to not be happy with how we look, feel, and perform. And so we are here because most people are completely lost and confused when it comes to how to be truly healthy. There is so much information and misinformation out there. We clarify the confusion and we bring confidence to the people that we work with. Now, this is what this community will do for you. Remember, this is a community that's all about furthering us all down our own elite health path. Here we're gonna learn, we're gonna experiment, and we're gonna support each other. This community, it's like Facebook, but it's a million times better because we own it. There's no distractions, there's no advertisements. You're gonna have your own personal feed, which is relevant to you. You can post, you can like, you can comment, and then you can write your own quick post, updates. You can also write really in-depth articles with rich text formatting and multiple pictures and multiple videos and links and attachments. All of our content is organized by topic. So as you post, you associate your posts with topics, so it's easy to find for other people. But then also all of our content is organized by topic so that it's easy for you to find the information that you're looking for. All of our courses, seminars, workshops, and progressions are going to be housed in this community, as well as their videos and PDFs and guides and handouts and materials and resources, so you can find anything and everything that you're looking for as far as our health topics go. And then what's really cool is you can connect with other members. You can do this privately through chatting, you can do it in groups, you can do it in courses, you can do it in the big public feed, and you can connect with members based on location, interest, and profession and other categories. There's a mobile application that we absolutely love. And then again, to reiterate, as an individual user, as a member of this community, you can ask questions, you can ask for support, you can share your experiences, you can contribute rich content, and then you can access anything and everything that's within this community because it's all organized in one place. Now, once you sign up, we're going to introduce you to the gang through our weekly new member highlight. And then after you're inside the community, you have access to anything and everything that's available inside the community. To keep people learning and experimenting, we have a monthly theme that is focused on one of our health foundations. And then most weeks we're going to have a workshop or a seminar hosted live through Crowdcast or Zoom. And then of course that workshop is going to be recorded, so it will be there for future reference just in case you can't attend it. And then we also have most days some kind of a question or a poll to encourage some interaction between all our different members. All right, so that is our community, and we are so freaking excited for it, and we're even more excited for the transformation that you're going to experience once you join us, and we're even more excited for all the people that we're going to help together as we're being leaders and examples and ambassadors for health, and as we're supporting each other, becoming the most amazing versions of ourselves possible. All right, we can't wait to see you there, and if you have any questions, please just send them our way.